Hey there, it's Kristen with K Design Co. And today I wanted to walk you through a really quick tutorial on how you can create a jump link in WordPress. So this is really comes in handy when you are, like, let's say you want to create a table of contents kind of at the top of your blog post, like it's a really long post, and then you want somebody to be able to click a link and then it just jumps them down the page. So this is called a jump link or an anchor link, and it's really easy to create. You can also get a plugin to do this, but honestly I just use a little bit of code and it does the same thing in a really quick little amount of effort. So I am working on this blog post in WordPress that I'm updating, and so I actually have a table up here at the top. So if you actually have a table with content in it, that's great, or you can just use any text link. It doesn't have to be in a table. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to actually make sure that you have your whole post written, and then let's say go to a heading that you want to link to. So this is the first heading that I want to link to. I'm actually going to create a link for each of these different categories of types of content. So the first one that I'm going to create is actually down here. So this is the content. It's actually an H3. So when I select it and then I get this little toolbar up here, you're going to click the three dots and then you're going to scroll down where it says edit as HTML, and then it's going to show you the HTML. So don't be scared. All you're going to do is click in here after this class where you see the little quote marks. You're going to add a space, and then you're going to add an ID. So an ID for this will give it a specific unique ID on this page that will tell it where to link to, what we're going to link up above. So we're going to start ID, and then we're going to do equals, and then a quote, and then we're going to just give it a name. So whatever the name of this section is called. So I'm just going to do show it pricing tier 1. Okay. And notice how there's no spaces. I've just used dashes in between. Everything's lowercase. So I have show it pricing tier -1. Okay, so you can copy that just so you remember it. Make sure you close with a quote. So it should begin and end with a quote. And then once you have that done, you're just going to go back to edit visually, and you're not going to notice that anything's different. It's just going to look like it looked before. That's how you know you did it right. And then you're just going to go back up here to the text that you want to link. So this is the text that you want somebody to click, and then it will push them down the page. Then you're just going to put that little phrase that you typed in for the ID, and now you're just going to add a hash mark before it. So it's just going to be £, and then your ID exactly. Make sure you don't include any quotes in this one. It's just exactly what you had before with a hashtag before it. So then you're just going to hit enter, and now you'll notice that it adds a little link. So that's also a good sign. So we're just going to repeat this process twice more to finish doing. So again, this is my heading that I want to link to. I'm going to scroll down to edit as HTML. I'm going to add an ID, and this is going to be show it pricing tier 2. Again, just go back to visually editing after you have copied that over. Scroll back up here with the text that I want to link, add a hash, paste it, hit enter one more time. Here we are with our third tier. We're just gonna edit as HTML, ID equals show it pricing tier 3. Can copy that, edit visually, and then this is our last one. So this one actually is a pretty short blog, so it may not need it, but especially if you have a really long post, this comes in handy a lot. So now that I have all those set up here, I'm going to go ahead and preview the changes to make sure that it actually is doing what I want it to do. And first I have to obviously save my changes before that will happen. So make sure you save your changes. And then you can preview the post, scroll down here, and now I should see the links show up. If I click on them, look, now I'm jumped right to the section where it talks about the first tier. Let's try out all of them just to make sure. Yep, now I'm here at tier 2, and we'll try one more time to make sure this last one worked. Oops, that one did not work, so let's go back and double check why. And it's because I forgot the hash. So again, don't forget your hash. Go ahead and save that. And refresh. Oops, there we go. Oh, there we go. All right, so you can see that it was just that easy to add the jump links. And then, like I said, this comes in really good handy for really long blog posts or blog posts that you want to break up by section. So hopefully this was helpful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what video you'd love to see next in the comments.